I have some different pictures, and today you're going to read the words that go with those pictures. So what do I have here? A bag, a pin, a web, and a net. What does this say? Can you sound it out? What sounds do those letters make? Net, net, net. That's right, it goes with the net. Let's try another one. Oh, what does this say? Put in. It's pin. So we'll put it with the pin. What does this say? Bag. 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 That's right. So we'll put it with the bag. And there's one more. What does this say? Web. Web. It's web. Okay, I have 4 different pictures this time. What are all these things? Yeah, I have cup, bib, fox, and mug. What does this say? Can you sound it out? Mug. Mug. Says mug. So we'll put it with the picture of the mug. What does this say? Ox. Ox. Fox. So we'll put it with the fox. What does this say? Bib. 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 So we'll put it over here. And what about this? What does this say? Up. Up. Cup. Thanks so much for helping me read these words today. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.